Guys, so I'm actually making a quick recap video over Facebook that I posted the other day. I waited a day just so I could show you guys with more detail what I was talking about the other day. So as you remember, I was saying, let's go into the 15-minute chart. So if you guys remember, I'm gonna clear everything out for you guys so we could look at this better, and then I'll start including everything in. All right, there we go. Here we go. So as you guys remember, I was actually talking about these support levels on the triangle. This triangle right here, if you guys you see this triangle right there, right? I had this one, and then I created this other support line from the daily chart that I saw, this purple line that we saw right here, double test. So we saw a bounce off of that. Back into the hourly chart, we saw, well, I saw back on the other day, we were up over on this area right here. It was right here on the 19th that I created the last video, I believe, that I posted it. And let me add this object tree. Let me add the fib retracement, and then we'll go with this first. So if you remember, I talked about the 50% fib level, and we would like to see a break of the 50 and a break of this other red line, of this red line right here, right? And a hold and a break and a hold of this 50 and this red, right? And so we also talked about, let me show this other fib, the fib fan. I also spoke about this one, that we went from high to the low, right? And we wanted to see this 50, this red 50 line, hold the next day, because if it goes below, it's a bearish sign. But since we were above, since we closed above, it was a pretty bullish sign. So we wanted to see this hold for the next day. And then so as we incorporate in the next fib line, the fib retracement, right? We look into this 50, it held, so we were pretty bullish in my opinion. Then we held this other 50, this 50 fib. We gapped above it, right? And we opened all the way up here at 269, 268.71. And we went up, and then we ended up closing right here, 265.05, right? And so we retested, then we removed the fibs so it could be much nicer for you guys. Okay, and we actually ended up retesting the bottom support. What I said was the previous support from the triangle, which became a resistance. We ended up gapping above it, and we ended up using it again as a support level, which was a very good sign for Facebook. See, we've seen the support right here, seen the support right here, seen the support right here, a resistance right here, and we gapped above the resistance, used it as a support, tapped it, went back up, and now we just came back into the triangle formation that I had drawn on into Facebook. So basically that's my little my quick recap on Facebook video that I posted the other day. If you want me to do some technical analysis, just stay tuned on this video, and I'll do this right now. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and have a good one, and make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with what you want to see next, and peace.